Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have necessary permissions and connection details. Without sysadmin or appropriate role, you cannot create a linked server. Once ready, open SQL Server Management Studio and expand Object Explorer. Then navigate to Server Objects and right-click Link Servers to choose New Linked Server. Make sure to pick the correct provider for your target database type and enter the remote server name. This first move establishes the connection template you will refine next. Now you configure the connection details and security. Choose the appropriate provider and supply product name plus data source. These determine how SQL Server talks to the remote system. Next, set the security tab options. Decide between impersonation, a fixed remote login, or explicit login mappings. This controls authentication and permission flow. Also adjust server options like RPC and data access to enable distributed queries. Once set, double-check entries to avoid access or collation mismatches before creating the linked server. Finish by saving and validating the link. Right-click the new link server and test the connection, then run a simple select through OpenQuery or four-part naming to confirm queries succeed. If something fails, check the SQL Server error log, verify firewall and network connectivity, ensure provider bitness matches, and confirm remote credentials. For repeatable setups, use SB Adlinked Server and SB Adlinked TSQL to script creation. One quick troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging and rerun the test to capture precise provider errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.